Welcome to our instructional video on solving the problem x squared minus 196. In this tutorial, we will show you step by step how to simplify and solve this expression. So grab your pencil and paper, and let's get started. To solve the problem x squared minus 196, we start by recognizing that the expression x squared minus 196 is a difference of squares. The difference of squares is a common algebraic pattern where a squared term is subtracted from another squared term. In this case, we see that x squared is the first squared term and 196 is the second squared term. The expression can be rewritten in the form a squared minus b squared, using x and 14, since 14 squared equals 196. Thus, we rewrite the expression as x squared minus 14 squared. This alteration reveals the structure needed to apply the difference of squares formula. By identifying and expressing the original problem in this form, we make it easier to factorize in the next steps. In the second step, we apply the difference of squares formula to factorize the expression. The difference of squares formula states that a squared minus b squared can be factored into a plus b multiplied by a minus b. In this context, our expression x squared minus 196 was rewritten as x squared minus 14 squared in the previous step. Now, setting a to x and b to 14, we apply the formula. This allows us to break down x squared minus 14 squared into x plus 14 multiplied by x minus 14. Through this factorization, we expressed the original problem as the product of two binomials. Therefore, the factorized form of x squared minus 196 is x plus 14 multiplied by x minus 14. If this was the final step, confirm the factorization is complete. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.